Hello everybody, it's Katie here from Bulletin Stickers, and today I'm going to be planning in my B6 planner from Harriet Wright Designs using leftovers from this daisy kit by Plannerface. I think I used this kit in February, so if you want to see, check out my February speed through. I'll leave it in the cards below, in the description box below. But if you want to see how I'm going to plan for the week of the last week in April, then stay tuned. Okay, so for people who haven't seen the Harriet Wright Designs planner, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is very, very blank, very, very plain, very, very customizable. We have 3 full columns on this side, 2 columns on this side, plus 1 that's split. Normally, I would associate this being with the weekend, but actually I'm not going to include the weekend in my plan with me for this week because the 30th of April is actually on the Friday, and I want to kind of finish off the month there, because actually the 1st to the 3rd of May is actually a long weekend here in the UK. It's bank holiday, it's the May Day bank holiday, the first May holiday, and so I want to keep that all together, because generally on a bank holiday weekend you'd be doing things like from the Saturday through to the Monday, and that's what I have planned coming up. So I'm just going to be planning out from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'm actually going to have a sidebar as well, so I'm going to use each column as one day, which I think will work out quite nicely, finishing on the 30th of April and finishing off the month of April in this planner. As you can see, we move into May, just the next page over. So the kit that I'm going to use is this daisy kit from Plannerface. Like I said before, I used this in my 7x9 planner, and I had loads of leftovers, so I thought it'd be really good to use them in this planner. So we have a full box here and loads of washi strips of different sizes. I have let's move on. I have some deco, some quarter boxes of different sizes, a Monday through Sunday, a habit tracker. I have some 3-box checklists as well, which is to do, to buy, to go, and to clean. More, I've got some glitter headers, a 3rd box, some plan next week, some check boxes, headers, little things, and a quarter box. Some freestanding checklists, along with some icons and doodle icons, some flags. A half box, some page flags, some bildews and quarter boxes, and then I did have the glitter add-on as well, which has got more half boxes, quarter boxes, and some more glitter headers as well included. So I think I've got lots of things that I can work with and bring into this spread, so let's just jump straight in. So for starters, I think I'm going to use a flag at the what do I want to use? A flag or a piece of deco? I might use a piece of deco actually, I've got 4 flags and that's be quite useful. I love these little cat spoons. They're so cute. These little cats, adorable. There was a box that had those in, so if you see the video, watch the video back, you'll be able to pick that up for my April script. And then we'll go in with the 4 box here on the sidebar. There we go. I'm going to use the habit tracker and the Monday through Sunday as well. So let's separate out with some washi, and I think I want to do some decorative strips. I've got some tiny little decorative strips that were useful. Warning, I have a child approaching. It's okay. We'll do the Monday through Sunday, although I really should cut off Saturday and Sunday because they're not going to be in this week, are they? I think I will do that. There we go. I'll add some more washi. Oh, I've got that completely wonky. Oh well. And a habit tracker. And then I'm thinking I might pull in one of these. Anything. I think I might use the cleaning. Don't know what I have to clean. I have a few things that I want to clean this week, ready for the weekend, because we're hopefully going to do some painting and things on the weekend. So that's that. And then I'm just going to put the last piece of strip of washi, and then I'm going to grab think a skinny quarter box and just use that for something. I don't know, for something. Right. I'm just going to grab some date covers and months. So I actually have Plannerface dates, like days of the week stickers. Just going through my stash of date covers. At least I thought I did. Oh no, I have the months. So I do have some days of the week by Biden Designs. And I have monthly stickers. I can't remember where they are. They're in the same planner. So these are the Plannerface scripts. I'm going to pull those in as well. And some date dots. Let's see if I can find some scripty ones. Nope, those don't work. Need 26 to 30. These are from an Ickle & Co set of date covers, and they have all the date dots with them as well. There we go. So let's add April. And then let's do some date dots. I think I'm going to stick with the theme and just do some deco pieces for the date where the date dot will be. Take that across. So cute. Actually, let's change that one because I've already got a blueberry toast situation. I will just do that there. I kind of want to take that as well because I know I'm not going to be putting laundry on the line this week. I was going to say it would be a really cute laundry sticker, this one. If I hadn't ruined it. So there we go. Okie doke. Right, and then we have so these are from By Gem Designs. I'll leave it linked down below. And these are just her days of the week. It's in a really nice cursive font. And then these are date dots from Ickle & Co. I'm kind of covering up the deco with the date dots. Oh, that's okay. There we go. Lovely. Right, let's get into the day by day. I think I'm going to start off with a glitter header for each day, just to kind of separate the area. And we'll just alternate, I think. So, in this planner, I pre-plan, so the upcoming week, and I like to track focusing on kind of health and well-being. So I like to track my food, my exercise, anything that helps with in terms of you know, mental well-being as well as anything, and plus anything that I need to remember, so that I've got it down in my planner, so that when I go through and track food and things like that, like I did previous week, then I can also pick up on the things that I need to do. So yeah, so for Monday, I need to do a lateral flow test. So that's the a quick test that I can do at home for COVID. As I'm a teacher, well, in the UK we've been asked to do them twice a week, but would lead to 3 days in between. So I'm going to be doing one on, I did one Friday morning, I believe, so I'm going to do one Monday morning, and then I'm going to do one on Friday morning again. So I'm just going to use these page flags to mark the lateral flow test. I think that goes into health and well-being in quite a regular way. So yeah, so I'm going to do lateral flow test. I also have a meeting this day, and I want to tackle the bathroom, I think, this day. Oh no, maybe do that on Friday. Oh, I'm also making dinner, so I need to make sure that I'm aware of that. So I'm going to, for food, I'm going to use the checklists. There is actually 6 hearts in each checklist, and I think I'm quite happy to do that, I think, because I have like preset snacks that I enjoy at certain points. So like I would have, you know, I have a snack at break time, and then I have a snack after work, and then I have a snack in the evening. So 3 of them are meals, and then 2 of them are snacks. And so yeah, I think I'm going to focus on that. And then for the meeting, I'm just going to pull in a quarter box from the glitter sampler. No. I don't know what I've put down wonky. Something isn't straight. Anyway, so that's that. And then I need my water tracker. So I have foiled water trackers in gold foil to match my coil. And so I'm just going to pull those. They're from, oh, actually I do also have silver foiled ones too. Although I only have 2 of those left, so. They're from Cozy Paper Co, which I know that's not her name now. But yeah, and I'm going to use the purple ones, I think. And maybe a pink one, everything. And the green actually might go as well. I'll use the purple and the green, I think. So there we go, for water tracker. What else do I track? Not a huge amount. I haven't actually got much things going on, to be honest. So I'm just going to leave it for now, and then I'll find a way to fill it at some point. I'm going to, on Tuesday though, put a checklist at the bottom. Need some pink on this side, I think. And use a piece of washi as a header. I do need to add my water tracker, and my kid has got forest school this day, which is so cute. They get to go into the garden of the school, and they get to play in the garden basically, and learn about how things work in like an ecosystem, and just all of that real good stuff. And they have hot chocolate afterwards, which is always his favourite part. So yeah, and I'm going to use this little coffee cup from the kit just to mark that, because he enjoys his coffee. And for my biology meeting, I think I might use this little book. Okay, so yeah, that's happening Tuesday. Wednesday then, I'm going to put my checklist at the very top, I think. Oh no, maybe I'll do it in the middle. Because I have my mental meetings this day. So I need to put that in. Put it in this. I'm trying to use as much of the colours as I can. Add other quarter boxes here. These date dots are from a kit, but I can't remember which kit it is. I'm sorry, they keep coming up. So mental meeting. water tracker. Anything else? Although both my kids are in uniform this day, which is quite fun, because they're both in PE kit here, so I kind of need to iron their uniforms. Probably this day. So yeah, I'm just going to pop a little label just to remind myself that they're in uniforms this day. And I think that's it for Tuesday. Then for Thursday, let's pop a purple down here at the bottom, and then I think I want to use, the pink one kind of here-ish, and put a really cool piece of washi there. Use the big one down here. Okay, so Thursday, nothing major happening. 29th of April, nope. Just going to do my food there. I don't know what this space is going to be used for. And then Friday, I need a habit, I need a water tracker. And I need to clean the bathroom this day so that it's ready for painting the day after. And I know we could probably do it in the morning, but I want to try and get as much out the way and done and sorted as I can. I don't think, oh, I know what I need to do on Wednesday and Thursday. I don't think I've got a cleaning icon here. There's laundry, but that's normally a Saturday, Sunday job. But food shop will arrive on Thursday, so I'm going to use the deco box to mark that the food will be arriving. I'm going to use this little grocery bag. This is actually what reminded me that I needed to write that. And then actually we need to double check the food this day, so we need to we couldn't got until 11 o'clock to make sure that our order is correct and we've got all the food that we need and what we want, and double check our food plan and things like that. I'm just going to use this, I think, to mark that. Normally happens on a Wednesday, and then Tuesdays we're kind of thinking about our food, but not too much. So yeah, that's it, I think. I'm not quite sure what to do with all the empty space, but I've got lots of stickers to add in any little pieces that I need to add in, or anything that pops up throughout the week. There never is exactly what it says at the beginning of the week. So yeah, so this is my week for the week of April 26th through the 30th. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, then please hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon, but until then, stay safe. Bye guys.